Hi, I'm Stacy. I'm here to give you a tour today of Summer Love. It's got 5 master bedrooms, oceanfront, and a pool. Let's go take a look and see more. My favorite parts of this house is the pool. It's so cute and it's perfect to cool off after coming in from the beach. It has a nice walkway too to the beach. Nice outdoor showers over here. Nice shaded deck area. I think this will be a great place to hang out in the afternoon. So now we're on level 1. It has this nice cool little area here. It becomes easy access right from the pool. It's got this nice little kitchenette down here on the first level as well, and 1 master bedroom. Okay, so now we're on level 2. On this level we have 3 master bedrooms. There's 1 bunk room here that has a bathroom attached to it. Another master bedroom. And then I'm going to show you one of my favorite rooms. What beautiful decor in here. This is one of my favorite rooms because it has a deck that overlooks the ocean, a hot tub, nice hammocks out there to enjoy, and then we're going to go check out the bathroom. So this bathroom was completely redone. It has a walk-in shower. It's huge. It's gorgeous. I just love how spacious this is. I love the countertops and everything about it. So we're on the top level now, and this is the living room. It's very cozy with this nice comfy leather couch and even a recliner. There's another master bedroom over there. Nice deck out here with some really nice lounge chairs. Okay, now we're in the kitchen. It's always one of my favorite places to enjoy my vacation, especially preparing meals for people that I'm enjoying my vacation with. In this kitchen especially, I think it would be so awesome to prepare breakfast for everyone. The sunrise would be beautiful to watch in this view at this cottage. Now we're in the master bedroom on the 3rd level. It's just as nice as the one that we looked at downstairs. It has a big, spacious walk-in shower and a nice little hallway that takes you to the bathroom as well.